Guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fantastic digital paper mockup really quickly and easily, just like some of these beautiful ones you can see. Look at this Blossom Spring May, absolutely gorgeous. And listen, these mockups help to sell the product massively, and they all have a similar sort of, the good ones have a similar style, right? Now, before I get into this, if you love Etsy products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget share, because please share the knowledge, because knowledge is power and all of that. Anyways, check it out, man. Obviously, you know, check out my playlist on digital paper, by the way. Fabuloso. I go through niches and all of that. Anyways, check it out, man. We're going to do the mock-up real quick. So, good mock-ups, I think, are the ones that look like this, because these are the ones that sell well. We don't want to go through templates that are just, you know, they don't help sell. These help sell it. So the main image must have these where you show the digital paper, JPEG or the PNG files, wherever it is that you're selling, the selection, the bundle in that kind of format, with maybe the name in the middle of the listing, or the design, sorry. Okay, in this case, blooming spring, floral designs, nice pink tones, abstract pink, spring watercolor, beautiful. But this type sells very well, right, from my experience. Okay, these kind of bundles that kind of showcase, if you like, all the ones that look. Now, there are different ones depending on how many you are selling. Some people sell big bundles, or a lot of them. Some people not so much. Okay. And you can see from the numbers, like this one's slightly different. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's 10 there. Yep, 10 digital products, digital images, sorry, watercolor textured, right? And how it sits is usually got your sheets. I mean, these look very similar. Textured paper with giving you the info in the middle, right? Very quick, very easy, very straightforward. However, it is a style that you definitely need to know. Like it's a popular one. This style is one that works, all right? So this is my suggestion. I've actually done a video on how to make it yourself. However, I don't think there's a need to make it yourself. There's a much quicker way of doing it if you want to create something maybe like this one, which is a really cool one. So what you need to do is you need to go to Etsy and you type in digital paper mockup template. Let's say template. Okay, template, because you're looking for a template. And the template, these are the templates. Now I suggest going for something like a drag and drop. Like that's probably the easiest type, which is like literally getting your designs and you drop them in the frames. And Canva obviously is fantastic for this. You know, here's an example of something that I've kind of just shown you, which is this kind of type. They show you what it looks like. They show you the sort of how it's laid out and where you put your digital paper. Yeah, very simple. This is very effective, this type. And look at it. I mean, look, there are many of these that sell. There are different prices, to be fair. They go from, you know, $3, $4, $5, $6 up to say $9. You know, so you choose the style you like. I mean, this one's going for $6 and it has different lots of different types. So you got a pack of 6, 12, and so on, right? Look at a pack that actually you have digital paper for. So you might have a pack of 10 or pack of 20. Make sure you can get a mock-up that caters for that. So obviously you need to first of all make sure you got a mock-up that can cater for that. And like I said, I personally would go for something like Canva. Canva is such an easy drag and drop. Check out free access at the bottom for Canva. But this one's fantastic. Look, you can see how they've got the different 12 together, 10 papers, 5, 8, and so on. And they've got, I think they've got this is a really nice one. Okay, and it shows you how it would look, right? Very simple, very straightforward. So let's go ahead and, like I said, find a template that suits you and how many you're selling. So let's go ahead. Let me go to Canva very quickly. Okay, so I'm at my own Canva, and I've got my own, obviously, that I bought on Etsy previously. My own mock-up, right? So here's a 12 paper mock-up. Now what's nice is obviously you can type in whatever you want in here. So whatever yours is called, you know, obviously you type in whatever you want in the template. But remember, you know, try to stick to the same sort of things that everybody else is doing. So they would probably have the name. They might have digital paper in that middle kind of, and then on the sort of on the ribbon bit, on the bit that comes across, you got the name, you got 300 DPI, you got the sizing there. Okay, so have a look and see some good examples, ones that sell well, ones that look good. Like this one, 15 baskets. So obviously there is a demand for this one. And then what you do is in your own Canva, in your own sort of template, make sure you adjust this, you know, give it its own name. Just add the information, maybe add a little box on the side. You might say 300 DPI. You might say what's the pixels for each of the papers. Then once you've got that, I mean, this one is a fantastic template. Look, it's got 12, 6, 3, 2, you know, so you choose whatever one suits you. And then literally all you need to do is you download the digital paper wherever you created it. So let's say for me, I would have created it on MIDJOURNEY AI. I would have downloaded it. Check out my playlist on how to do that as well. And then I'd upload the designs on Canva. So literally I'll go to my uploads, let's say. Let's see if I can find some designs now. Let's go to some designs. So I'll go and find some maybe designs that I got. Okay, so you go to some designs that you may have, and like I said, I'll probably need to go to some designs that I got. But let's say I've got some sort of sunflower styles. So what I'll do is I'd click on the designs, let's say. So let's just say I'm just going to choose some designs I may have, right? Let's put some florals in there. So easy, like, to do. So easy to do. So just put in some florals. I've already produced before, but like I said, guys, it's like the easiest thing. I mean, look, it's gonna take me 2 minutes, right? Obviously I'd need to write down the name of the design, but let's just put them frames in here somehow. Okay, I just want to show you like literally how it is. It's just a very simple drag and drop. There's nothing easier than this kind of drag and drop. Honestly, it's so cool, so easy. Okay, I'm just literally just trying to show you. Right, look at that. Isn't that pretty cool? I've just nearly finished. All I need to do, put the name of the little bundle, put the res, and literally I'm done. But guys, that's it. That's all you need to do. And you just download it and make sure that it sits as your main image. And guys, it's as simple as that. So I definitely suggest go and get one from Canva. It's literally the easiest things to do rather than actually creating it. Although, if you really want to create one yourself fully, then I've got a video on my playlist, on my digital paper playlist. And also how to create digital paper and also seamless digital paper if that's something that you want to do. But guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.